What is going on, you guys? Cassar 1999 on YouTube. Well, for today, I bought another house for $100,000. It was originally 104. It's smaller than my other one. Unfortunately, I had to sell the other one in order to get some cash back from it. But I'm gonna go pretty low. So I figured for today's episode, we're gonna start in the kitchen. And let's go on a selling spree. And here we go. We don't need any of this junk. So we're going to start in the kitchen. The next episode will probably be... So I'm going to start selling everything, and I'm going to catch the rest of you off camera for this. Okay. I'm going to start with... let's get some of these lights replaced. Let's start with this light. What am I probably going to use? You know what? No, I'm selling that. Screw it. I'm going to do the floor first, and I'm going to put some tile down, and I'm going to do this with the flick of my fingers. That's pretty fast. Now I'm going to do the walls, and I have an idea, and I'm going to go basic on this house. Okay, so I got the walls painted white. I know some people might not like this. Some people will. Look, I'm going basic, so like I'm going to leave that light. Next, I'm going to replace the doors. And I'm going to take care of that pretty fast. Okay. Now, if you guys want me to change this, I can. I just put this there, because as you look at this is like a single person house. So, this will be probably next, but let's take care of the kitchen first. So now I'm going to do getting some appliances and whatnot. So, here's the progress so far. Kind of went a little basic on this. Yes, I added a dishwasher. I know I'm kind of basic and all that, but this is for reasons. I might add counter space here, possibly. Maybe, because, I don't know, we'll see. Well, I'm going to get working on the other cabinets, get the hood and all that, and then we'll go from there. Well, here's the kitchen. I know it's basic, and some people might like this, some people might not. You can tell me down below if you guys like this. Let's move on to possibly the next room. And I'll show you how much this house is worth now. Wow, 112 and $1,555. Alright, next room. Now here we go. I'm gonna get rid of all this trash here and sell all this stuff, and I'll see you back in 5 seconds. Alright, here's how the room is. I decided to keep the computer and the router for this one because maybe it might increase value. First things first is we gotta change this stupid light. I'm gonna go probably with, to be honest, I'm gonna go with this because I think it'll do good. Next, I'm gonna paint the walls, or actually, you know what? Let's do the floor first. Then I'll do the walls, and I'll see you back in a couple seconds. Well, here's the floor with something a little like a pattern again. Tell me down below if you guys like it. Next, I'm going to take care of the walls. Alright. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go sell this empty can over here. And I'm going to take care of next is replacing the door to this bathroom. And I'll see you back in 5 seconds. Now that I have that taken care of, let's replace these windows. And I'm going to do and then I'll do the curtain, same thing. Here we go. Let's tackle the bathroom, and I'll finish the rest of this. So here's how the bathroom looks. Very nasty. I'm going to be getting rid of all this. So I'm going to sell it all. I just wanted you to see it before and kind of an after. And I'll show you an aftermath once this is done. Well, here's what we got so far. We're going to replace this light. Again, I'm going cheap a little bit, not going crazy expensive. So next, I'm going to take care of painting these walls. Or you know what, we're going to put some tile on that wall. And I'm going to get the essentials ready. Well, here's how the bathroom is set up. Set up very nice. We have, of course, washer and all that. Next, I'm going to take care of finishing up this room. I'm going to at least get a bed and then just a desk and then a couple things, and I'm going to sell this. Alright, this was done. I'll take you on a tour. I know I don't have a table because, to be honest, I just want to get rid of this house and finish it. So, I know I did this all in one episode. And then, well, here's in here. This place is going to get sold because, well, I don't like this house. But I'll show you the value. $122,000. And, well, I made it look decent, even though I went basic. Because I didn't want to use all my cash. So, hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We'll see you all in the next one.